You got it, Gavin. Okay. Next. Gavin through. Gavin through. Dan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
He's your dump. He's your dump. Gavin through. Gavin through. Swing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good, Michael.
6, 7, 8.
Push it out. Keep pushing it. Take the open throws.
Hold him, go. He's out of bounds, too.
Yeah. You guys got to switch around. Stay in your reset. Stay in your reset. You're too far. Up!
We're good, we're fired up, we're good. Come on, up. Tight on, Steve, tight on. Good, bro. Up. Got it. Up. Yes. Killing. Flat. Yeah.
Don't look for the deeps if it's not there. Look at your swings. You can come completely behind someone to get the dump. You got it, Ben. Next. Nope. Coach.
2, 3.
Left.
Tyler.
Brian.
Good luck.
Doug can play today.
Home.
Back
Are you allowed to move that?
I didn't see him tap live, but I guess we are now. Pick. Before the throw.
Did it affect?
You good?
Yep. Are you okay? I hit your shoulder.
Guys, clear up.
Clear up.
Cole, yeah, clear up.
Stop 1. Stop 2. Stop 3. Stop 4. Up. He legged it.
He liked it.
He didn't want to touch it with his hand. Ouch!
Stop 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, watch out!
Ooh. You okay, Jess? Steen, move up. I'm your cake, Dan. You're good. Stop 1. Stop 2. Stop 3. Stop 4. Stop 5. Guys, stop 6. Stop 7. Stop 1. Stop 2. Stop 3. Stop 4. Stop 5. Broken. Bam. Jump it. I know you know. Stop 1. Stop 2. Stop 3. Stop 4.
Back in, back in. Go. No, do not do that.
Pretty sure I forced us home and I was just forcing you home the whole time.
It's in.
Oh, is this the line? It is.
Someone.
Out.
2.
This way. Move out this way, Dan!
4. 5.
Strike!
2. 3. 4.
Got it, leave!
6. Left.
Zane, is that a foul?
I'll stick around, dude.
Watch your feet, don't step on them.
You okay, Jess?
Yeah.
Play out!